Hello. So this video is going to discuss how to upgrade your SpeedCoach GPS. So say you bought a SpeedCoach GPS Basic or SpeedCoach Sup Basic and decided down the line, you know what, I really like the training pack features. Let me purchase a training pack upgrade from Nielsen Kellerman. Well, in that case, let me show you how to then upgrade your unit from the basic to the training pack edition. This is going to be different than an update of the firmware, which we went through in a different video. That is just going from 2.04, say, to 2.05 or 2.05 to 2.06. But you would stay as a basic each time, or a training pack each time. This one is going to take you from, say, a 2.05 basic to a 2.05 training pack. So let's see how we do this. Now, if you originally purchased a basic, you do not have the dongle. So when you made the upgrade purchase, Nielsen Kellerman or your dealer will provide you with a dongle, and you will be emailed a training pack upgrade file. So let's assume the dongle arrived, and then we go to our email, and I'm going to use Yahoo because I sent myself an email that will be similar to the one you'll see. And we log in, and we're going to go to our mail, and we'll click on SpeedCoach GPS firmware file. So this is Yahoo. You'll see there's an attachment here, and it's going to be a .upg file. Depending on your email, there'll be a different way, but we want to save it. No virus is detected, so that's good. Save, and then we'll right click on this, and we're going to save this link as, and I'm probably going to suggest going to your desktop just because it's the easiest to navigate to. Just make sure you know where you're saving this file. So we'll hit save. I already have it on there. I'm just going to replace it. And basically that's it for the email. So let me get out of here. And now let's start up let me get this out of the way. And we're going to start up our link program, which we put in our applications. We want to turn on the actual GPS unit. And as this opens up, if it says searching for dongle, then we have to insert the dongle into our computer. So find an open USB slot, which I have to make one and create a error. But I had to pull out a different dongle and put in the one that was mailed to you from Nielsen Kellerman or your dealer. And as you see, it'll go from searching the dongle to initializing to searching for SpeedCoaches. Now, your SpeedCoach will show up in this area, but it will not until you see turn on SpeedCoach, put in data link menu option. So we're going to hit the far right button to get to the main menu on our SpeedCoach. Go down until we're on data link and hit the far right button. And it'll say SpeedCoach is discoverable. Now you'll see your SpeedCoach with the serial number, or if you renamed it, it'll be the name of your SpeedCoach. We're going to select that. It's going to try and automatically update new sessions. There's no sessions to update. If there was a firmware update, you may be prompted here, but there wasn't. So now we want to upgrade this unit from a non-training pack to a training pack version. So how do we do that? We talked about using the update your SpeedCoach, but we want to do an upgrade. So let's go to the Manage tab, and you'll see here there's an update or an upgrade. We want to do the model upgrade. If we click on that, you'll get a file folder structure where we need to now find the file that was in the email from Nielsen Kellerman. So I mentioned we put it on the desktop. So we'll go to the desktop, and really I do know the name of it, and there's a lot on this desktop. So it's really going to be SpeedCoach GPS Pro with your serial number. We're going to hit open. Now it'll prompt us to say it's a new firmware available, which is the upgrade. And we just click yes, and we will see the progress bar go across on the screen and on our GPS. When this is finished, which I will speed up in a second, please wait until the GPS resets itself, and it could take up to 30 seconds to reboot until you touch anything on the computer or the GPS. Just kind of let it do its thing. And once it's done, you should have the training pack version on your SpeedCoach GPS 2 or SpeedCoach Sub 2. Now, as we get there to the final part, we see our GPS reset itself. When it turns back on, pay attention to the splash screen. Make sure it says training pack. If you miss it, make sure you have workouts now available on the menu. If you don't have workouts or it didn't say training pack, contact Nielsen Kellerman. Make sure you got the right file. Mine says training pack. It has the right version on it, and now we're good to go. So that is how to upgrade your model. To get the upgrade, you would go to nkhome.com, go to the rowing and product page, and you'll see a training pack upgrade for both the GPS 2 and the Sub 2 models. If you just got the basic and you want to upgrade to include workouts, heart rate, and downloadable data, that is where you would go to get that.